approach 4-foot to 6-foot telescoping module. This is one of our best sellers because it gives you the ability to adjust the length of the module on the job site for a perfect fit. This kit includes 21 steel galvanized tubes, square tubes. These square tubes sell for approximately $20 or more if you were to go down to your building supply store. That's worth $420 worth of steel tubes. And we've pre-cut them to the correct lengths, which adds a lot of extra value above that price. In addition to that, you're getting 8 of our 3-way corner couplers worth over $80. You're getting all of these 16 one-way couplers that help you install the VTs to your frame very easy. You're getting your 4 adapter tubes over here. That's worth another $16. In total value of this kit is $580, plus all of the service of pre-cutting these to the right length and showing you how to assemble it. This is a fantastic package deal, and it's incredible because it gives you the ability to build a steel frame that usually could only be accomplished with welding. But because of the great invention of these steel couplers, no welding is required. This is absolutely incredible. It's the #1 best way to do it yourself in outdoor kitchen or for contractors on the job site to build a steel frame that their clients will appreciate the value of something that's professional, that will last in all weather conditions. So here's how to assemble your 4-foot to 6-foot telescoping module. It's the same as all other modules except for the length wall configuration. That's where you need a little bit of instruction here. So let's go ahead. I've got them laid out on the floor here. And starting from the left to the right, your kit includes a 7-inch by 40mm adapter tube that slips over the 3-way corner. Then you have your 20 by 37mm tube. Now I went ahead and drew the line at 3 inches because I'm trying to make it the 6-foot length. So I'll go ahead and slip that in to 3-inch line. And I would go ahead and put a screw here to lock it in. Now I'll come over here to the next section where I have the 4-foot by 40mm tube. And I'm going to slide that over. I made a line here at 3 inches because I want 6 feet. And then I would put a screw in here. And then I'll come all the way down to the end and slip this end facing the same way as the other end and put a screw in here. And now I have this properly configured to make a 6-foot module. Now let's say you've gone out to your job site and you want to measure and you find out that you don't need 6 feet. Maybe you need, let's say, 62 inches. So you would go ahead and lay these out like this, and you would figure out how to make this 6 feet. First thing I would do is I would slide the 20 by 37 all the way in to the left, all the way in. And then I would start sliding this one in till I get to that measurement. I'd go ahead and put my 3-way coupler in because you want the measurement on the outside here for the frame. It helps if you have 2 people, 1 person on each end. And I would slide this till I get to that measurement. Let's say we want 63 inches. So I'll slide it all the way to 63 inches, just like so. And now I have it. So I can go ahead and put screws in here, 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 and here, and lock that in. Now, let's say I plan to put a countertop appliance in this, like a grill, or maybe a slide-in side burner, or a slide-in bar center, where I'm going to have to cut the frame and put 3-way corners in. If I'm going to do that, then I have to take extra step because I don't want to end up with double wall tubing where I'm going to try to put a 3-way corner coupler. So to do that, I would go ahead and I would make a mark here on this piece here. I would slide it out and I'd measure 3 inches in and make another line. And what I would do is I would take this line, it would be my cut line, and I would go out and cut that off so that way only 3 inches of this piece would go into this steel tubing and the rest would be hollow. So that way I won't have any problems with putting in my 3-way corner couplers, because you can't install a 3-way corner coupler where there's double tube. See, it would be like this, where you have double tube like this. When you cut it, this is not gonna go in because it's blocking it. So that's why I would have to cut that. Other pieces, and go ahead and line them up right next to this thing like this, like so. And duplicate that length here on the floor for all 4 lathe wall tubes. Then you'll have your 4 lathe wall tubes to the exact length that you want for your custom landscape. And then just go ahead and follow the regular procedures of putting together a module, which is super easy. You make the end frames and all this. So it's that easy with the telescoping module, and it saves you that extra cutting. So it's really safe and easy to do for homeowners. Thank you.